Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to put a link in TikTok bio without business account. So let's say you do not want to switch to your business account and keep it personal. So let's say you want to add an Instagram link onto your profile. Right now, as you can see, we are on our profile. Click on edit profile, and now we need to scroll a little bit down until you can find this social section. So here you can see we have Instagram and YouTube. Click on Instagram, and now just wait for a couple of seconds. So enter your Instagram credentials, and once you do, just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and click on not now, or you can just save your information. Click on allow and click on allow again. Now it will eventually, if you head back, you can see you have this Instagram option available, and once anyone clicks on that, they will be directed towards your Instagram easily. So that's how you can add links without converting your account into a business account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.